Hello everyone, my name is Moroni Martinez, and this is my ePortfolio where you will find more about me and my professional life. This is the ePortfolio that I'm using uh, to apply for the social media intern position at Big Lip down in Lehi, Utah. And in my ePortfolio, you will find my professional picture, my current job position, and also um, information about my job and the school that I am attending currently. Here I explain uh, in less than 30 seconds who I am. I am a fast learner, bilingual, Spanish and English, passionate, creative, and empathetic person. Strong responsibilities, values, skill in building relationships with customers and problem solving, experienced in leading projects. I believe empathy is crucial when working with others and it adds towards a peaceful job environment, which leads to a better performance in employees. These are adjectives that I know that define me as an employee, um, and also my basic beliefs that define me as a person, which I consider is important for a employer to know. Here, the employer or whoever sees my e-portfolio can have access to my cover letter, which I always adjust depending to the company I am applying to. And here they also have access to my resume, which is complete. I have my work experience, volunteer experience, skills, education, and that position I am applying for with my address, my professional email, and my phone number. Also, here they will see some of the articles that I have written. Here's a quick introduction to the experience, professional experience that I've been getting, and the dates and the specific achievements that I did. Um, for example, here is that I redesigned and implemented for a small store faster customer service, which decreased 50% customer waiting time and increased their satisfaction. I like these statements because it defined the goals and the things that I um, that I achieved. Um, the same here in my other job. The same here in in my other job. Also, people will have access to see my education, um, my learning outcomes of what I am studying, and also the religious experience that I had before as a volunteer for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. But I wrote down how that volunteer experience helped me in my professional life. Also, I have here um, projects that I worked as a student, as a social media student, when I was at LDS Business College. And here people can actually have access to the YouTube videos and content that I worked um, that I worked on when I was part of the social media agency at LDS Business College. Also, people will have access to my skills and endorsements. I consider one of my skills are self-learning, um, time management, public speaking. I also have other skills that I know I have, like inventory management, content strategy, online marketing, data analysis, sales, content management, content marketing, social media marketing, video editing, writing, interpersonal skills, coaching, customer service, communication, language teaching, other skills, leadership. action learning, lesson, customer relationship management, listening. And I like that I've been endorsed um, by peers or other acquaintances, which I think this increases uh, credibility to my work. Also have my accomplishments, certifications, and interest, which will define me as an employee and as a person. And well, this is this is my ePortfolio, and I and you're more welcome to come and look it up and add me in your network in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.